We take a look at the record heat of yesterday and what the fingerprints of climate change look like on that. And much cooler air blowing in today and sticking around for a while too, so get used to some fall temperatures. And we talk about the next chance of rain on the way by the end of the week. Well, it was definitely a hot one yesterday. Incredible temperatures for this late in the season. 99 in Lamberton. Just on the other side of the Minnesota-Iowa border, it was 100 in Spencer, Iowa, and there were a string of 100s further south and west of there. 97 New Ulm, Redwood Falls, 95 Fairmont and St. James. Mankato was 94. And of course, in the Twin Cities, we topped out at 92. And you could see this finger of warmth blowing at us like a blowtorch yesterday ahead of the cool front. So sometimes we get what's called compressional warming ahead of a cool front like this, where it literally pushes the air and it kind of condenses and compresses ahead of it. And that can give us a couple of extra degrees. And that's basically what happened yesterday. So we topped out at 92, breaking the old record of 91, set 91 years ago in 1931. And we talked about this yesterday. It's a lot harder to hit 90 this time of year. You've got about a 2% chance this late in the season, climatologically speaking. You've got a 5.5 times better chance of doing so in late August. And because we've warmed temperatures at this time of year 4 degrees, that's enough to make it twice as likely to hit a temperature of 92 on the 20th of September as historically. Of course, it has hit 90 this late in the season before, but we've made it twice as likely to do so now with just that 4 degrees of warming. Of course, we had some storms yesterday evening as well. From Terry Woodman in Oakdale, he sent this picture of some pretty good sized hail, and then also that large hail in River Falls too. Baseball sized hail even out of some of those storms, mainly East Metro and into western Wisconsin. Now we've got gusty northwest winds blowing in. Temperatures were 30 degrees cooler this morning or more compared to just about 12 to 14 hours earlier. It's going to be a cool night tonight. Even in the Twin Cities, finally, we'll drop into the 40s, 30s in northern Minnesota. This will be our first night this season below the 50-degree mark. You got to go back to May 27th. That's the last time it was below 50 in the overnight. Highs tomorrow will be even a little cooler, so that's why it's still windy today. We've got even cooler air still settling in. Low to mid 60s only in southern Minnesota, 50s for northern Minnesota. And I think Friday, a lot of us won't even hit 60 because we're gonna have clouds and some showers around in addition to the cool air mass. So probably upper 50s for most of us for those high temperatures. So people have been asking for fall. Here it is. We are watching the next system too. As I mentioned, the cloud cover and some showers Friday will keep the temperatures down. You can see this spin of clouds in Northern California, Oregon. This is the next disturbance that'll be moving in Friday. That'll bring us some clouds and showers. Sunshine though, most of today, especially tomorrow, because high pressure is going to be sitting right on top of us Thursday. So lots of sunshine tomorrow, cool sunshine. And then we'll see those showers move in here through the day on Friday. Not a lot of rain though, so if you're looking for a soaking, which we still need here, of course, in the Twin Cities under severe drought, this isn't going to do it. But some scattered light showers move in by the early to mid-morning hours, and then kind of a broken line of mainly light showers through the day on Friday. Just enough to make it not a very nice day, but not the rainfall we need. And we could even have a lingering shower or two into early Saturday still. Looks brighter as we head into early next week. But you can see these temperatures are all below normal. Normal high is about 70. Every single one of these is below that. I don't remember the last time we've had a 7-day forecast where every single forecast high at least was below normal. That is definitely a rarity this season of the last few months. But there are signs that we'll probably be back in the 70s later next week as we end September.